Everybody loves a good FAQ, am I right? Hey you guys, Michael back from The Market Vibe, and this is video 5 of the 5-part series where I just really wanted to answer some FAQs that we get that I saw online as far as people asking digital marketing agency questions. And so I really wanted to answer these questions because I know a lot of people watching this video probably have the same one. So the first question is, why should people hire a digital marketing agency for their business? Well, we kind of talked about that in the last video, so I'll focus on the two main things, time and money. So number one is, business owners, they don't have a lot of time. They're doing a bunch of different things. And honestly, they're doing a bunch of different things that they're just not skilled in. And so honestly, it's your knowledge and expertise. Like, you should be doing it, because all of that time that they're spending doing their social media, running their website, doing their branding, that could all be time spent in their zone of genius, creating more product, making more sales, doing the things that they're good at and letting you do the thing that you're good at. So as far as money goes, that'll allow them to make more money, because all that time that they would have spent doing things like Instagram, running stories, all these other things, now they can spend on making more product, getting really back to running their business and growing and scaling, which is what the business owner should be worried about. They shouldn't be worried about running their social media. They should be hiring out for that. The second question is, what sort of services do digital marketing agencies offer? And honestly, they can offer a bunch of different services, from social media marketing to website design to branding, personal branding, funnel building, email marketing, text message marketing, funnel building. I mean, there's so many different types of services. If you're starting out as a digital marketing agency, go back to the first video in the series where I say I would honestly start with one, maybe two things. Honestly, social media and maybe email, because social media is the one that all business owners need. But it just depends on kind of what you're good at, what your background and knowledge is in. If you have knowledge in website design, then I would offer website design as one of the first things. I would really just start with what you're good at. But yeah, as far as what a digital marketing agency can offer, it's a wide variety and a bunch of different things. So if you're not sure, just ask a specific person what type of services that they offer. How do I choose a good digital marketing agency is the next question. Okay, this can be a really hard one, but for me, I would just honestly do Zoom calls with 3 to 5 different digital marketing agencies. Just ask them questions like, hey, who have you worked with in the past? What are the results you've gotten them? What is the experience that I can expect to work with you like? And really take the time to interview a bunch of different digital marketing agencies, and then that'll help you pick which one's right for you. Take a look at their body of work, Google them, go look at their website. If you're going to hire them for a website design, I'd go look at every single website. So really do your research ahead of time and make sure to interview a bunch of different digital marketing agencies to make sure you hire the right one for you. The next question is digital marketing worth it? Is a digital agency worth it? I say yes, because here's the thing is, how much more likely are you to get in shape if you hire a trainer as opposed to not hiring a trainer? Probably much more likely. And the reason is because the trainer has the knowledge and expertise of how to get you in shape. You don't have that knowledge and expertise. It's the same way with your business. You know how to make candles, or you know how to sell t-shirts, but you don't know how to run social media, grow, scale social media, use social media to grow your business. That's what a digital marketing agency is for. That's what digital marketers do. That's what we do. And so that's what our knowledge and expertise is in. And so it's definitely worth it, because if you hire a digital marketing agency, honestly, I can say that it's definitely worth it, because from the businesses that we've seen that have hired digital marketing agencies, they've grown exponentially more than ones that have tried to do it on their own. And the last question is, what sort of skills should a digital marketing agency or a digital marketer have? And I really think that's honestly open to interpretation, because there's so many different types of services that you can offer that maybe you only know how to do website design, so you only offer website design. That's totally fine. Maybe you know how to do social media and branding, and so you offer social media and branding. I think it really just depends on the background. And then as you're offering those things, if you want to learn, become knowledgeable and say things like Facebook ads or something that you don't initially offer, it gives you the time to learn that, and then you can offer that in the future. So you guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me on this 5-part series about starting a digital marketing agency, how to scale a digital marketing agency. We love our clients. We love the services that we offer, waking up every day, getting to help them scale their business. It's literally the most fun that we've ever had in our life. And so if you guys have any questions about how to start a digital marketing agency, how to scale services, anything, just drop them in the comments below. We'd be happy to answer them. But until next time, see you guys later.